Hi, it's Kathy from Raven Vintage. Welcome back to my craft room. Come on in and welcome to 100 Ways to Use Scraps. I have a simple one for you today. This is more of a reminder of what you can do with some of these specific scraps, which I suspect you guys have the same amount that I do. I don't know why, but I think you do. So this is number 32, called a wrapped closure piece, which is a weird name. But I use two words here specifically, wrapped and closure. I want you to remember those two things because I could have just called it a sleeve or I could have called it a band, but I don't want you to confuse this idea with a belly band. I want you to think of it more like it's like a belt. It's going to wrap all the way around. So we're going to make some sort of a little wallet. I've actually already done one in the book here, and then I decided to film again. There we go. So this is what we're ending up with. So I made a little notebook, just little pieces of paper, and this band here, it's not a belly band. A belly band would be glued here and here. This is actually an entire loop, and that's glued together. It slides right over top of this, but then I glued it into the book so that this has a permanent home, and it's made specifically for that item. And then I just added a little embellishment there. So let's make one of these for a wallet. So this is what I'm talking about. Do you have like tons and tons of these long, skinny strips? Is it just me? Not those so much, but this size here, like, do you have a lot of these? Like, I have so many of them. So I just thought, well, I bet you guys do too. So this is what I'm after today. So I'm just right now just looking for a color to complement that. It doesn't really matter. And I'm looking for a longer one. This would be ideal, but it's not quite long enough. I don't think it is anyway. Well, maybe it is. Nope, unless I make this smaller. Let's do that. Let's do that. Wait a minute. Are you longer? No, you're not. Okay. Well, I'm going to put these strips back together. Yeah, I just figured everybody's got these, so I just will find... I just want this to be a good reminder that these are still usable, valuable. Might feel silly keeping some of this stuff sometimes, but this is one great way to use these. Now, of course, there's so many of them here, so we're going to be using a lot of these when we get to the collage portion. But this is one way you can use these strips. Okay, let's trim this up to something a little more. Let's go 3 inches. And I'm going to make some sort of a it's kind of wide. Let's make it like a wallet type of, or a folio. Okay, so we have this little folio here, but on its own, she's just flapping in the wind. So we want to give her a closure. So the idea is that you just simply wrap something around. It doesn't fit this way, does it? No. Wrap something around tight enough that it doesn't slide off or fall off, but loose enough that you can still pull the item out. And just trial and error. If you want to get all technical and measure and do all the things, you go ahead, but that's not me. So just first trying it, just make sure it will slide on and off. That's a little tight. So I'm going to loosen up a bit over here. That's better before I glue it. I would highly recommend you just try it before you glue it down. And I don't need all of this. I need an overlap, but not a whole lot. Get rid of that. So just remember, it wraps all the way around, and therefore it doesn't need to be glued down in your book. You can tuck this into a pocket or under a belly band, but this is now its closure. So that can be the back. And then we can add something to the front of this. A great spot for a sentiment or something, but let's just do a simple little butterfly or something on here. Another very quick and easy project for you. Put one of your people on there. He's cute on there. I will never use these bugs. Does anybody want the bugs? Can't find any blue. I was hoping to find a blue. White. Let's just do something crazy like that. Like this, feathers, but they're too big. So just a simple little closure for your folio or your wallet. So you could mass make a bunch of these. You could make a bunch of folio type things like this. Don't decorate them yet. And then you could add a bunch of straps. However, if you do intend to add a bunch of stuff inside your folio, it's going to make a difference on what size your strap's going to be. So I would perhaps mass make these separate. Yeah, the band part, I guess, is not really a great mass make because the size really matters on what, unless you know the item that you're doing. Like I had a notebook there. If you know that that's the proper size for that wrapped closure, then by all means go ahead. But yeah, that's the wrapped closure piece. So I did one vertical and I did one horizontal, but it's just made perfectly. And like I said, you can just glue it into your book, or you could do this and then tuck it into a pocket or something. Here's something kind of neat too. The way I glued it, it could just hang over the pocket like that. It's kind of fun. Same with this guy here. Just slide in like that. But there you have another simple project. And basically, I guess the main takeaway from that I hope you get from today is that, remember I told you before, I want to try to elevate our scraps to be worth something, that they're valuable to us and they're not just something we want, you know, there's a reason we keep them, and I'm trying to validate that for us. I'm trying to make us not crazy. I'm trying to help you defend yourself. Why do you keep all that? Because it has purpose. We're going to use it. We're going to use it sometime. So yes, so that was today. So wrapped closure piece, and yeah, that's those two words right there. It's a closure and it's wrapped all the way around. So you can call it whatever you want, but that's that was the reason I called it that, is because I want you to remember to wrap it all the way around. Okay, so you can glue it in, or it can be a floating item as well. All right, well, that's it for today. Sorry, it's so short. I know some people really like the short videos and some don't, but this is working out good for me while I'm trying to take it easy with my voice and whatnot right now. All right, you all take care. I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.